Okay, so we're really here, and we had to take a video because we didn't think anyone would believe that we're really here. This is not a postcard. Real deal.
We're really here?
Real deal. This is the crashing. Let's take a closer look. Crashing. And that would be where we just were.
Yeah. And I'm guessing like this is all lava, like composite.
Wait, hold on. Sophia is giving us a little. Tell us. Okay, break it down.
From what I understand, this is all lava composite. The waterfalls are just flowing through it.
Freely flowing. It's beautiful.
Here for hundreds and thousands of years.
Yes. There's actually a glacier somewhere. On top of something.
Yeah, it's too cloudy.
Too cloudy though. See the sky? Too cloudy.